Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the fall filter trend on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, and in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. The filter name is autumn aesthetic. Okay, so this is the effect. So what this filter do, it's make everything green into orange. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so this is without the effect and this is after the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for autumn aesthetic. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Tap there to use the effect. Likewise, okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Tap there. You need to open it with TikTok. So in this page, tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and again you will be directed to the effect page. Now on the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Tap there. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect and do the fall trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.